Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Samland TV. Today we are going to be showing you on how to create an Airtel Mastercard and enjoy online shopping and all other online transactions. It's as simple steps as this. What you're gonna do is just follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But before, let's go. Airtel Mastercard.
Happy Valentine's.
Just follow the steps. As you can see, just dial *185 *7 *9 #. Then you press go. Then it bring number one here. Get a card. To just bring you get a card. So what you have to do, you put in your Airtel money pin. Then it will say success. So as soon as that, what you'll have to do, you'll go to your message, or they will send you a message. What you'll have to do, you'll tap this link as you see. You tap this link as you see. So what you'll have to do is place this link as you can see. You open up this link so that you can see your Airtel Mastercard. So it will show you here, request a one-time password. View your virtual card. Press it. So right away it will send you a message. As you see, your pin is, mine is 2998. Mine is 2998. Say view card. There, mine is there. I already have a Airtel Mastercard. As simple as that. What you just have to do, follow the steps closely and wisely. It's as simple as that. Yes, hello guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like every video there.